What we're doing today is we're having the Houston Methodist Robotic Surgery Symposium. I myself was a resident at this program several years ago at this state-of-the-art facility. Now it is my honor to serve as a course director.
So today we're doing a robotic porcine lab where we're practicing advanced operative techniques. We're able to learn how to sit at the console for the first time as interns, and then as we're getting further along, develop our skills.
I'm teaching the residents how to use the Vinci Robot to take out the right part of the colon, and the Vinci really helps to do that because it gives you a 3D visualization.
I've never actually seen a right colectomy, and so to be able to see it done robotically adds another perspective in terms of my learning.
One of the benefits is that we have dual console here, so I can kind of take over with the case and show somebody how to actually, kind of technically do parts of the procedure.
It's very helpful to be able to draw on the screen, and having the dual console where you can go back and forth or maybe retract something for someone and show them when words are not necessarily enough is really helpful.
These medical supply companies were able to tell us about their products, and these are things that we see in the OR all the time. And so to get an explanation from the reps and how they work and a lot of the science that goes into it was awesome.
We have several vendors and industry sponsorship, and we're very excited to introduce our residents to new techniques, the latest techniques with robotic assisted surgery, in addition to new technologies from different industries. So we're very excited, we're very happy to have this educational event today.